So we're gonna eat 24
Picture her.
chicken.
Yeah.
At the car only.
I'm excited, Neil.
Yes, I'm excited. Should I get the rice also?
Later na, baby. I will show the chicken first.
Can you give me the fries?
Wait,
The French fries spicy.
no, not really.
Hi guys, we're gonna eat 24 chicken.
Where's the rice?
Smart. That's a giant one. 24 chicken. Yum yum. My tumbler. Hello. Tumbler.
What flavor is-
Oh, that flavor is lemon glaze and that one
Yang yum.
yang yum. So we stopped the car because we're gonna eat in the car. But it's mukbang in the car. But we're gonna eat 24 chicken here.
Ate na lang sila sa rice.
We buy it. I want the lemon glaze.
You eat.
Where's my spoon?
Wait, I'll give you.
Where's my spoon?
Cut it. Wait, I'm gonna cut it.
Ow. Ow, I bite my finger while eating rice.
Oh my god, you should wash your hands.
So good.
Is it good?
Yeah. So good, guys. It's yummy and crunchy in my mouth. The taste is yummy. The lemon glaze is so yummy, but the French fries.
No. Kimchi.
So that's
Hindi crunchy.
which one?
The French fries.
So guys, the sun is going down, but it's orange, and I love this French fries. Mommy, the French fries taste like KFC French fries. Oh, good. I like French fries.
Like it?
So good. I can't wait. I'm gonna post it. This is my baby doll, but I don't know why she has it. This is my doll. It's LOL. So from parking at Monday because it's my graduation. And then my mom gave me a gift. It's food and little ice cream. And some LOL dolls. Mainly the big doll, but it's at home. So she only brings her small doll. That's all.
Hindi masyado sa
I want more.
Yung, ayun na siya.
Kasi you move with me. I'm gonna get french fries. Oh, a bunch of fries.
Yeah.
Bunch of
Feel
fries.
that.
Oh my god, I burped. I'm so clumsy. Hey, you eat my chicken. So clumsy and ASMR.
Want to try the kimchi?
No, I don't like that. It's like a mukbang in my mouth. I want one slice. What size is so yummy?
Chicken na, it's alat
How
ha.
can we just hold this?
Careful.
So good and yummy. I got many french fries.
It's yummy.
Yeah, so yummy. Honey garlic. What do you mean honey garlic? It tastes like honey garlic. Yeah. I said apa to my water. Did you order some kimchi?
Yan na, smile.
It's so good and yummy. More ice cream.
Oh no, my meal is so hungry.
But I want more.
Oh no.
Excuse me, I'll get in my mouth. The lemon glaze is so sticky.
Yeah.
Why every honey garlic and lemon glaze is so sticky?
I don't know.
Are you in smart?
Drink more water na. Really? Say bye-bye na.
Bye bye guys. That's all for today for the mukbang. I'm smart. So bye. Bye guys.